Hello, welcome to Ecos Cloud. Today we are going to see our automation part. So how we can start our virtual machines with automation account. So for that one, uh, we create first resource group. And then just review and create. Now we create one virtual machine. So select resource group, write down virtual machine name. So path VM and HDS. We'll go with password. Select the port and just review and create. So the validation has been passed. So just click on create. So now, while it was creating, let's create automation account. So search automation account. So create one automation account. So select our resource group which we created. Write down the automation account name. Go auto 123. We'll go with system assign. We are not going to use a user assign right now. So networking, we can give the access public access or private access. So we'll go with the default one, public access. So just click review and create. Okay, so just go to resource. Here we can see all the options available. So now go with the run as account. Now create run as account. So it says the run account feature will be create a new service principal user in Azure Active Directory and assign the contributor role to this user at the subscription level. So let's create. Okay, so it was added now. Now come to runbook. We can see here there are two we can see there are two type of runbook was published. So now we will create our own rules. So write down the name and go with runbook 1. Select type. So we'll go with PowerShell. We have many more options, like we can go with Python, PowerShell workflow, graphical PowerShell workflow. But we'll use now, go with PowerShell. We have to select runtime version, so we'll go with 5.1. Now, if you want to go with and add description, you can add extra description here, but we'll go with default. So just click on create. Now, we will see here our PowerShell window was open. So if you want to start or stop your VM through automation, there are some good scripting code available on Microsoft website. So here is a code. So for that one, just copy that code, careful to copy that code. Just copy and paste it here. So there are good scripting code available on Microsoft website. So just save that code and publish. So we got the notification that it was published successfully. So now it was successfully published. So just start that process. So you have to give the parameters here. So what we are doing with that machine. So I'll go with stop. So resource group is path resource group. Virtual machine name. So it was path VM. Let me confirm it again. So it's path resource group and path VM. Yes. Okay. So now just click on create. Okay. No. Okay. So the status is running. We can see here. So now, we can schedule our virtual machine, which time you wanna stop or start our VM. So if you come to schedule and click on add schedule, so link a schedule to your runbook and just click on add a schedule. So just write down the name, what task you wanna do with that. So if you wanna stop, so just write down the stop. Then if you want to give a description, then you can give the description. And uh, start of which date or which time you want to start this rule, you can assign here. And if it was just for the ones, you can go with ones. But if you want to go with recurring, so like every day or every which time, so you go with like one, or you can put one or more credential, and it's you will go with hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly, and we'll go with like once. So just click create. Now here we can see there was stop credential was created. Now if you come and see our VM now, so go to virtual machine and Apache VM. Now we can see the VM has been stopped and it was deallocated right now. So this is how we can start or stop VM through the automation accounts. Thank you.